Hey guys, this is Mike Parker at the Center for OCD and Anxiety in Pittsburgh, PA, and I'm back for another quick tip on how to deal with anxiety and OCD. And today I wanted to actually focus on what you can do when you are dealing with unwanted thoughts. And in particular, I wanted to talk about how to deal with disturbing possibilities entering your mind. These are the sort of thoughts that get a lot of us in trouble. It could be anything from, oh my gosh, did my coworker think what I said today was really stupid? Did I look like a total idiot? To, oh my gosh, is the blood work going to come back positive for cancer? And, so these thoughts will enter our mind, really bother us, really disturb us. And then we will immediately start to have a lot of mental activity in response to that. We'll be trying to maybe disprove the thought or eliminate this possibility from existence in some way. Now, what I'm going to suggest is actually something very counterintuitive because, you'd think, oh, a disturbing possibility, I should try to prove that that's not what really is going to happen or what is happening. But the problem is that usually when we're worrying about something, the possibility that is bothering us, the possibility we're trying to negate is objectively possible. So whether we want it to be or not, it is objectively a possibility that exists. So yes, that coworker may have thought I was an idiot today. Usually not that strong, but maybe, who knows? Maybe that person had the thought, I'm an idiot. Maybe that blood work could come back positive, right? There's no way to say that's not possible. People get cancer, people get judgmental at work. All these things actually happen in real life, and there's nothing that you can do mentally to make these things definitely not possible. So what I'm going to suggest in response, instead of trying to eliminate possibilities that you can't eliminate, is to actually accept those as being possible. So yes, it's possible that that person could have thought that what I said today was really stupid. Yes, it is possible that that blood work could come back positive. And what you're going to find is that is going to be the way to stop the fight going on in your head, the fight with a possibility that you've been engaged in that has been exhausting you and basically is futile. And that is going to, in the long run, lead to lower anxiety and definitely less exhausting mental activity. So give that a try. Next time you're having a thought that's really bothering you and it is making you suddenly have all that worry go on in your head, try just taking a pause, taking a breath, and saying to yourself, you know what? I can't do this anymore. Yes, you know what? It is possible that this bad thing that I don't like could happen or did happen. And what you're going to also do is remember, you know what? I'm not accepting something as inevitable. I'm accepting one possibility. And there's many possibilities. But I can't sit here and focus on the one possibility I don't like and try to get rid of it. What I can do is just say, yes, that's possible, but so is this, and so is this, and so is this. And then you're going to be in a place of greater uncertainty, which is going to be slightly uncomfortable, but much better than trying to do the impossible. And so saying this is possible, but so is this, and I don't get to find the answer out. And you know what? There's nothing I can do to get any more certainty in this situation right now. I'm going to, instead of doing what I've been doing, accept the uncertainty, accept the possibilities I don't like as well as the possibilities I do like, and go on to whatever else I want to be doing with my day. And, if I catch myself suddenly worrying again and trying to negate the possibility, accept it again. Remind myself to accept it and move on. So I hope this has been helpful, and I guess I will see you guys next time, and good luck trying not to negate possibilities. Thanks.